got it installed. Everything rolls smooth. It's fun. See what we got here. That's the clutch. Got it on there. That's the 13 tooths. We're going to try the 13 tooths. Everything fit good. Yeah. So, yeah, let me put this back up here. Okay. See how that goes? See that spin? That's what you want. You want a little bit of friction there on the bearings. That way you know the bearings got lube in there. If that free spin's too long, then it's dry. The lube will add restriction to where it stops. See, it'll stop at a certain time. See, you know those bearings are lubed if it stops. Not good when it sits there and spins forever. That means the bearings would be dry. So there we go. Ready to install the engine mounts. All right, there it is. See what we have here. Engine mounts. Oh yeah. Well, there's one. These screws, they have little lock washers on there. So there's really no need for Loctite. I can't stand the Loctite. I want to be able to get the screws back off when I need. So my screws, they have little lock washers. Alright. This baby's gonna be ready to put in that ready. Since I changed the bell, put a smaller 13-tooth bell, I'm gonna have to adjust some engine mounts. But that's okay. A cinch this down. what I'll do is cut the video short here. Start a new video on mounting it in that buggy. That'll give me time to clear off this bench for the buggy. Alright. Well, alrighty then. Here we go. Let's push these little washers. Alright. Let's see what we got here. There you go. There you go. Engine mount installed. Bell installed. Okay, we're good. It's ready to go in the buggy. Yeah, I'll stop this video here and I'll clear off all this crap here. Make room for the buggy. We'll start installing in the buggy. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good one. Like always.